Kiva Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my review of Kiva, a platform designed for those seeking convenient and affordable telehealth services. Kiva aims to connect users with healthcare professionals through a user-friendly app, making it easier for patients to access the care they need without long wait times or high costs. One of Kiva's standout features is its variety of services, ranging from mental health support to urgent care, ensuring a comprehensive healthcare experience. The app allows users to book appointments quickly, often on the same day, which is ideal for individuals with busy schedules or those needing immediate assistance. The platform is particularly beneficial for those who may find traditional healthcare challenging to access, whether due to geographical limitations, time constraints, or financial concerns. Kiva's pricing is transparent and affordable, with various subscription plans available, making it accessible for people across different financial backgrounds. Additionally, Kiva places a strong emphasis on user experience, offering a sleek interface that simplifies navigation for all ages. Users can easily browse through available services, read reviews about healthcare providers, and find the right match for their needs. When it comes to consultations, Kiva provides both video and chat options, allowing users to choose their preferred method of communication. This flexibility is essential for people who may feel more comfortable discussing sensitive issues in writing or prefer face-to-face interaction. Moreover, Kiva is designed with security in mind, employing robust encryption methods to ensure that personal health information remains confidential. However, like any service, Kiva is not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional delays in response times during peak hours, which could be a concern for those needing immediate help. Furthermore, while Kiva offers a wide range of services, it may not cover every specialized need, so it's essential to review the offerings thoroughly before committing. In summary, Kiva is an excellent choice for anyone seeking convenient, affordable telehealth services. Its user-friendly interface, variety of services, and commitment to accessibility make it a strong contender in the telehealth market. However, if you require very specific healthcare services, ensure they align with what Kiva offers. Overall, Kiva presents a promising option for those looking to manage their health from the comfort of their home. Consider trying it out, especially if you're in need of quick and reliable healthcare solutions.